Jason. Hey Ellen, happy Tuesday. I apologize for the wind noise, but get in here real quick. Just sending you a quick video update here. You can see home is wrapped and they've been insulating non-stop here. So I'm gonna take you through a quick walkthrough. Hope you guys are having a good start to your week. It was good to see you over the weekend. And you can really see all of these interior walls fully insulated, which is awesome. We're making good progress on the home. You know, I'm talking with the Super Weekly on updates. Really start to be able to key in on a close date, but I will leave you guys with the beautiful view in the backyard. Beautiful. As always, any questions, let me know, and have a great week.